Most people use Google for everything online, but there's a powerful layer of the web that Google doesn't cover. These are not dark websites, but specialized tools and search engines that index parts of the internet Google can't or won't. With these sites, you can find unsecured webcams, check if your data has been leaked, or see old versions of websites. We'll reveal 10 OSINT websites that give you unique access to the internet's hidden infrastructure. These tools are used by cybersecurity professionals, ethical hackers, and researchers to map devices, search data breaches, and more. Ready to see a side of the internet you've never seen before? Let's get started. First up is Shodan, a search engine for internet-connected devices. Shodan indexes everything from webcams and routers to industrial control systems and smart home devices. It scans the internet 24/7, collecting banner information from devices, details like device type, software version, location, and open ports. You can filter searches by device type, location, software, and for example, find all webcams in a city or all Apache servers in Germany or outdated industrial systems. Security researchers use Shodan to find vulnerabilities and exposed systems. Companies can audit their own networks for unknown exposed devices. You might find unsecured home media servers or building automation systems controlling HVAC and security. Security teams use it to see their network from an attacker's perspective. But remember, seeing a device on Shodan doesn't mean you have permission to access it. Use Shodan for research and awareness, never for unauthorized access. Next up, bookmark Have I Been Pwned. This site checks if your email or phone number has been exposed in a data breach. Just type in your email, and it scans a huge database of leaked credentials. If your data is found, it shows which breaches you were in and what info was leaked. The site is run by security expert Troy Hunt. Click any breach for details, company, date, and what was stolen. This could include your email, passwords, names, phone numbers, or addresses. If you see your info, change your passwords immediately. You can also check if a specific password has been leaked. Sign up for notifications to get alerts if your email appears in future breaches. If you get an alert, change your password and enable two-factor authentication right away. Always use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication wherever possible. Have I Been Pwned is free and essential for protecting your digital identity. The Wayback Machine, hosted by the Internet Archive, is a powerful OSINT tool for viewing archived versions of websites. Just go to archive.org, enter the URL of any website, and you'll see a calendar with highlighted dates for available snapshots. Click a highlighted date to load the website exactly as it appeared on that day. This is essential for finding deleted information, tracking website changes, or verifying what was published in the past. The Wayback Machine helps you recover content lost to link rot or website updates. For OSINT investigations, it's a go-to resource for digital evidence and historical research. The Wayback Machine is simple, free, and invaluable for anyone needing to look back at the web. Next up is Hunter.io, a tool for finding professional email addresses linked to a company. Just enter a company's domain and Hunter scans the web for public email addresses from that domain. It predicts the company's email pattern, like first.last@company.com. You can then guess a specific person's email, even if it's not listed. There's also a verification tool to check if the email is valid. It's mainly used by sales, marketing, and journalists for targeted outreach. Hunter only collects publicly available data. It doesn't hack or access private info. Use it responsibly for professional communication, not for spamming or violating laws. Next up is Social Searcher. This tool lets you search keywords, hashtags, mentions, or user content across multiple public social media platforms at once. You get unified results from Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and more, all in one dashboard. It's ideal for monitoring brands, tracking hashtag campaigns, or seeing public reaction to events. You can analyze sentiment, identify top influencers, and view analytics like posting times and platform activity. All data is public. No private messages or friends-only posts are accessed. If you post publicly, it can be indexed by tools like this. Social Searcher is a powerful OSINT resource for tracking and analyzing public social media data. It turns social media noise into actionable insights. Next up is Census, a powerful OSINT tool similar to Shodan. Census scans every public IP address, mapping devices and services across the internet. It focuses on cryptographic certificates and software configurations. Census identifies web server software, operating systems, and analyzes SSL/TLS certificates. It's widely used by researchers and security teams for large-scale vulnerability analysis. Organizations use Census for asset discovery and to find exposed or forgotten servers. It provides continuous, near real-time updates on internet assets and vulnerabilities. Census is essential for monitoring changes, spotting threats, and improving internet security. Intelligence X is a powerful OSINT search engine and data archive. It indexes data from the public web, darknet, data breaches, and leaked sources. You can search for email addresses, domains, IPs, phone numbers, and cryptocurrency wallets. Intelligence X provides access to archived web content, including darknet sites. Even if a page is deleted, Intelligence X may still have a copy. The tool contains sensitive and potentially disturbing information. Use responsibly. Intelligence X is intended for professional research and investigation only. Want to know what technology a website uses? Use BuiltWith. Just enter any website URL into BuiltWith. Instantly, you'll get a detailed report of the site's tech stack. See the content management system, web server, hosting provider, CDN, analytics, and JavaScript libraries. Compare competitor sites or find out what tools power your favorite websites. Filter by technology to generate targeted lists like all WordPress sites without security plugins. Or find every site using Shopify. Checking individual sites is free, perfect for quick research. BuiltWith makes it easy to uncover exactly how any website is built. Spiderfoot is an open-source OSINT automation tool. Enter a target, like a domain, IP, email, or name, and Spiderfoot automatically queries over 200 public data sources. It runs dozens of modules, subdomain checks, email lookups, DNS records, open ports, and data breach mentions. All results are consolidated into an interactive graph, making connections between data points easy to see. Use Spiderfoot for reconnaissance, mapping digital footprints, and identifying vulnerabilities. Download the open-source version or use Spiderfoot HX in the cloud. For efficient, automated OSINT investigations, Spiderfoot is a top choice. Last but not least, we have a really unique one, Public WWW. While Google searches the content you see on a web page, Public WWW searches the code behind the web page. It's a source code search engine. You can search for any snippet of HTML, JavaScript, or CSS, and it will find every public website that has that same snippet in its source code. This opens up some pretty incredible research possibilities. So, why would you want to search source code? One major use case is for security research. Malware analysts can use it to track phishing campaigns. If they find a new phishing site, they can take a unique piece of JavaScript or a specific comment from its source code, search for it in public WWW, and potentially uncover the entire network of other phishing sites set up by the same attacker. It helps link seemingly unrelated malicious sites together. It's also great for web developers. If you see a cool feature on a site and want to know how it was done, you might be able to find the code snippet and then use public WWW to find other sites using it, or even find the original library or tutorial it came from. It's also used for marketing analytics, to find websites that are using a certain tracking pixel or analytics tool, similar to BuiltWith, but at the code level. Public W essentially lets you explore a hidden layer of the web. It connects websites not by what they say, but by how they are built. You can discover relationships between sites that share a common developer, use the same obscure WordPress plugin, or are part of the same affiliate network because they share the same tracking code. It provides a structural view of the web that is completely different from what you get with a normal search engine. This is a powerful tool for peeling back the layers and understanding the hidden infrastructure of the web. It shows that many websites are not unique, handcrafted creations, but are often assembled from shared components, templates, and code snippets. By searching this code, you can uncover connections and networks that are completely invisible to the average user, making it an essential tool for deep web investigation and technical analysis. So there you have it, 10 incredibly powerful websites that give you a completely different view of the internet. We've looked at Shodan and Census, which map the internet's physical devices, Have I Been Pwned, which acts as your personal breach alarm, and the Wayback Machine, the web's digital historian. We explored how Hunter.io and Social Searcher help you navigate professional and social networks, and how BuiltWith and Public www let you peek under the hood of any website. And finally, we saw the deep investigative power of tools like Intelligence X and the automation of Spiderfoot. Each one pulls back a different part of the curtain. The running theme here, as you've noticed, is awareness and protection. These tools are not about hacking or spying. They are about understanding the digital world we live in, which is more complex than a simple Google search can show. They're for conducting legitimate research, for learning how things are built, and most importantly, for understanding your own digital footprint so you can better protect yourself, your data, and your organization. The internet is a vast place, and having the right map is crucial. As always, I have to end by emphasizing the importance of using these tools ethically and legally. Curiosity is a great thing, but it should always be paired with responsibility. Don't access systems you don't have permission for. Don't use contact information to spam people. Use the knowledge you gain to build, to learn, and to secure. The more you understand about how the internet works, the safer and more effective you can be online. Stay curious, stay aware, and I'll see you in the next one.